Good morning everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital, or welcome to the channel if you're new as well. And welcome to this new video right here on Jasmy. We're going to do a full update. We'll talk about the price action over the course of the last, well, what is it, week maybe? I think I covered this either Monday or Tuesday last week or something, because I tried to, you know, post at least a weekly update on Jasmy. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing. But I think it was, what is it? It was July the 22nd, right? So it was 6 days ago. So that makes it a Tuesday. And since then, we've had a lot of volatility. We've had a lot of relevant price action. So let's talk about that. Because what I said in that video is that I was actually quite bullish on Jasmy. And to be honest, I still am, right? Because the main reason why I was bullish on Jasmy is two things, right? And it's technical and it's fundamental. First of all, technically, we had a massive breakout above a very strong and very important key level, right? So that's this level. You can see it's quite a strange level, and I should narrow it down. I would argue if I narrow it down, it would be something like this, right? So this level right here around 1.7 cents, so 0.017. We broke above that. Now, what I said back then as well is that the volume is quite low, so I don't really like that. But the volume is high enough for me to say that, all right, well, we got a breakout on the high time frames. This is a breakout, and I trust it, right? So then if we have a breakout, that's already a reason to be slightly bullish, right? And you can also see that on the 3-day time frame, so this is very zoomed out, this is the first breakout we've had above the 3-day trend since January. But what I like even more, because like I said, I mean, you know, we broke out, but then we also got a major pullback right here. And yes, we did hold the bottom of the support, but we barely got any support at 0.0175. So technically, yes, we broke out, but there's definitely reasons to be cautious and reasons to say that, well, Jasmy is quite weak. But what I like even more about Jasmy, or at least what I think makes it have potential, is the fact that Jasmy has always been able to get a strong rally when markets are bullish. And I am convinced that markets at this point of time are bullish. All right. And what you have seen right here for Jasmy is that November 2024, May 2024, February 2024, every time the markets were bullish, Jasmy has rallied. And so far, it hasn't done that yet. Right. And Jasmy, the last time around, also was quite late as well. All right, so fundamentally, I think that's a reason why you should not avoid Jasmy. Now, short term, like I said, it's a bit of a weak reaction to the breakout. We barely have any momentum. We barely have any volume. So short term, I don't expect much. We have some strong resistance right here at 0.0185, so 1.85 cents. I think it's most likely that we're just going to remain relatively stable and consolidated. Take out some of those resistances, but reject from them. And then eventually, I think we're going to be able to break out, rally above 2 cents and rally into our main price target, which is right here at the yearly rolling VWAP at 2.5 cents. And then, you know, on the higher time frame, on the higher time frames, wow, can we break above that? Yes, that is a possibility, but it's a very wise first price target to set, all right, because it's a very strong resistance level, especially if it confluences with 2.5 cents, which is a major psychological, but also a very respected resistance level. So those are my thoughts. That's my target. That's what I think you need to know for now. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Like I said, if you're interested in Jasmy updates, consider subscribing. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.